Welcome to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into Threads. Now before I teach you how you guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now in order to log in into your Threads account, what you can do is, in my case, it's showing me my profile already because I have logged in into my Instagram app into my account. So my current account is Abhinav Timla, that's why it's displaying this over here. So in your case, if you also have Instagram and you have logged in into your Instagram account, then once you download Thread and open it, it's going to show you something like this. Now it is good. If you want to log in into this account, you can just click on it and you can easily log in into your Thread account. But let's say you want to log in into your another Thread account. In that case, click on switch account and choose from all of these accounts. And if you still want to log in into another account, you can click on log in into another Instagram account over here. Click on it at the bottom and then enter your username, your password, click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Threads account using your Instagram account. Because in order to use Threads, you need to have an Instagram account. But let's say I want to log in into my Witchy677, so I can just click on this and it's going to load for some time and it should open up just like this. And I can start using Threads. That's how simple it is to log in into Threads. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. It's TechTube. Peace out.